incretins. GLP-1, glucagon-like polypeptide 1, and GIP comprise the intestinal incretin hormones released from the intestine in response to feeding and augments the glucose-stimulated insulin secretion by pancreas. Simple. What incretins are doing? 1. Satiety, gastric fullness. If there is too much of food, stimulation of pancreas for synthesis of insulin as well as for release of insulin. Sulfonylurea, what they do is only the secretion of insulin, but it causes both secretion as well as synthesis as well as secretion. But if patient is landing up in hypo, means calorie restriction, then it inhibits the synthesis of insulin automatically. It's an automatic thing. So that's what, and that's how it causes some weight loss in diabetic patient. Now the incretins is always on, it's already on the way of approval to be used in non-diabetic obese people.
They are getting an approval.
They are getting it. Yeah, that to 3 milligram.
3 milligrams.
So we were using 0.6 and 1.2.
Here it will come.
We have to follow US.
They are coming with a new brand. It will not be called as Victoza.
Because the patent is now getting over, na? And anyway the patent is getting over. And I have been using it even in non-diabetic patients. I have used it a lot. Huh? We start from 0.6 up to 1.2. I have reached up till 3. And when I give 3, I break down in 2 doses. I don't give just in 1 dose. Morning and evening. Phenomenal. People are coming back with skin changes. Believe me. I told you about one of the, like he is from Dubai, he says that, Dr. Saab, उसको दिया मैंने, he lost very good amount of weight, skin became clear, absolutely clear, and but the enzymes were on a, like, there is lipase and amylase, so I stopped it. And I stopped it. His weight was maintained, but skin changes again came back, and he told, Dr. Saab, तो Victoza से ही हुआ था. नहीं यार. Documentary नहीं है मेरे पास में, but it may be. Even I can see the change in your skin. We waited for about 3 months. His enzymes came back to normal. We restarted. Believe me, not even 2 weeks, he came back. Just to prove that, now sir, look at my skin. Amazing effect on the skin. So I told him.
He had acne, is it?
No. Lot of pigmentation. So because and insulin was not very high, ever. So I told him, you write your own history by yourself. तुम लिखो. Then I will make a change in that, and I will submit it to the company. Why not? Let them start some research in the cosmetic side also. You never know what comes out. And it's not that expensive that people cannot afford. It is cheaper than any of the depigmentation treatment available over a period of time, and take care of weight also along with that. So never know. But again, whenever we become more enthusiastic, something big comes up. So we never know that.